I don't know of you, but I thank God. It can only be the Lord standing this way. It's only God. And I give God all the glory. I thank God for yet another opportunity to see the first Saturday in the month of September. The Lord is gracious to us. Hallelujah to his holy name. I'm right here in my kitchen this morning and I'm going to be decorating my cake. This is the cake I'm going to be icing. So now I'm going to get it trimmed and I start my icing. So I'm going to trim it round first. So this is what I'm going to do. Trim round. I'm using my bread knife. You can use a cake knife. And that's it. We are done trimming. I'm going to face this side to this side. You just face each other. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to trim the edges and make it sharp. Make it equal. So see what I'm doing? It's easy. You can use any of your knife, your bread knife. Just make sure your hands are on top and just. So now I've done the trimming. You can see it. I didn't put anything inside. I didn't put any filling because I want it that way. If you need to put filling, there's a time you can put filling before you do your trimming. I don't want filling in. I just want cake. So now the next thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be crumb coding. Now you can see we'll be crumb coding. What do I have here? What am I concording with? I have in here my egg and sugar syrup. Egg and sugar syrup. So, egg, sugar syrup. The video is right there in my videos. You can check it out how to do your soup, sugar syrup, and egg. So this is what I have here. So I'm going to start crumb coding. We are hiding all our crumbs in. So just hide in all your crumbs. So I'm going to scrape it and make it smooth. This is my crumb coating. So I'm going to allow it to dry, or you can put it in your fridge and allow it to dry up. So now I'm going to do, my crumb code has settled. So now I'm going to do my icing. So I'm still going to use white. So This is it. Just spread it around. It doesn't take anything. Just spread around and just get your hand, make it heavily. Don't press it too hard to the bottom so that it won't sharp edge. You need a sharp edge. So you're just going to paste it here on it and you will just move so that it can fill up all the down and all the top. That is when you're already having your icing sugar enough. So you can just spin it so it fill up everything. And in case there is something like this that is not covered, you can take extra your icing sugar or your whatever you're using and just put it there and just go again. Make sure it's touching the board and just spin it round. Spin it round. And that's just it. You see, everything is all the edges. It's as simple as that. Then the top, make sure you're working with a clean side. The top, you just move it to the middle. Start at the edge and just move it and lift it up. Do the same to the other side and just lift up. This is how you get your smooth edge. For that, so I've mixed my color. I'm going to be using two different colors. So it depends on how many color you want to use. So you can mix up your color. So now I'm going to be using this color and my orange color. So I'm going to be putting them in my piping bag. My piping bag, I've already put my piping teeth in. So I'll just put it in a container that can allow me to not mess it up. Is important. So I'm putting in the second one also. Going to be dipping it in so that it can go in. Down and have your piping. Press it down, you see it's neat. So now we're going to start piping okay. So you see, and you see that everything is coming out so neat. So this is what you're going to do all through. So now to the top, top, I'm going to have it round. I hope you can see. I'm going this way. Going this way. Then we are going to pop out the tips. So I'm going to pop out this, 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 this. That is the down of it. Just pop it out. Have a look at it. So we're going to be writing on this empty place. We're going to be writing there. So if you want to write anything, you can write anything. Wow. So we're going to be writing on it. So I'm done. Here it goes. Can see how rich the color is. See how rich the cake is. Wow. 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 This is it from me to you. Welcome to the month of September 2023. Wow. Hallelujah. Please stay tuned. Give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Please turn off your notification bell. We need this. I need it. I need it. I need it. Please turn it on. God bless you. Bye from me. Signing out. Bye. God bless you.